Alright guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at the barrel distortion effect. Let's just have a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and we do upload videos daily. So just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, back in the program here. So if we select our text or shape, then to locate the barrel distortion, we can just go on top here to effects by the top menu. Then we go down till we find barrel distortion. When we click this from the pop-up menu, we'll have basically one option. So make sure auto preview is selected. Move this to the right. Now the threshold, if it's set to the positives, then it will pull basically the sides, top, bottom and sides to the middle, so you can see that. And then if we take it to the negative, so if I put a minus in front of this, we'll push it out to the outside. So it's a nice way to get a kind of like a lens warp or distort effect. So then let's just set this to about 10, and then if you click OK, it will update your actual graphics now to this. Just keep in mind that now text will no longer be editable, sorry. So if you got your text tool, then you can no longer edit it as text. Otherwise, if we just head to our website here, so if you guys go to vinylcut.co.za, the program is freely available here. You just navigate to downloads. Otherwise, if you guys go to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video and more like it. Also, we have this nice search option, and if you don't find what you're looking for, just request a training video here and we'll make that for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.